Hi, thank you for choosing the BLACK+DECKER RO75 water purifier. You are one quick and easy installation away from pure, wonderful drinking water. The BLACK+DECKER RO75 water filter comes packed with features that make clean drinking water convenient and extremely safe for consumption. With an under-the-sink concealed design, the BLACK+DECKER RO75 water filter system seamlessly integrates into your kitchen without spoiling the aesthetic while providing a leak-free setup. Accompanying with a faucet that fits right into a countertop sink, created to maintain natural elements while removing up to 99% harmful contaminants, including PFAS, chlorine, fluorine, lead, arsenic, asbestos, calcium, sodium, and others. The BLACK+DECKER RO75 water filter is capable of purifying 75 gallons of water every day. The 6-stage RO system removes contaminants, preserves essential minerals, and provides natural tasting water. The BLACK+DECKER RO water filter works efficiently without a power source in your kitchen. With all parts and a detailed instruction manual, the RO is made for easy DIY installation, as well as making maintenance super simple. It can be connected to your refrigerator and water cooler for integrated water supply. IA PMO R&T tested, platinum sealed, and NSF certified ensures that you get the best standard of purification. With BLACK+DECKER RO75, you don't just bring home a water purifier, you bring home a holistic water filtration solution.
RO75 water filter installation.
In this video, we will take you step by step through the process of assembling, installing, and setting up your product. Before we begin the installation process, it's important to make a few quick checks. Ensure that you have the required tools handy. All set? Great. Next, take out all parts out of the box. Ensure that no part is missing or damaged. Do not continue if any parts are missing or broken. Contact BLACK+DECKER or your distributor for an exchange or diagnosis. Let's start by assembling your RO75 water filter. First, take the filters out of the box. Then, remove them from their housings, peel away the lamination from all 3 filters, and insert them back into their housings. Finally, use the wrench provided to fasten the housings into the RO system head. And there you have it. Your new RO water filter is ready for installation. Ideally, the best place to install the RO water filter is under your kitchen sink. However, if you have space constraints, you can install it wherever you have access to a normal water supply at sufficient pressure and a water drain system.
There are 6 main steps for installation. Let's start step A, inlet water connection. Put supply valve in close position. Attach the water supply adapter to the supply valve. Now connect the needle valve to the water supply adapter. After this, connect the male-female converter depending on your pipe connection. With the needle valve securely mated with the inlet water adapter, connect the RO input tube into the needle valve. This is done by passing the RO tube through a compression nut by connecting the plastic sleeve and insert tube at the end of the RO tube, which you must then push into the needle valve and tighten the nut with a wrench. Finally, put a dead plug on the converter to block it. Step B, drain saddle installation. The drain saddle assembly can be installed on either the vertical or horizontal tailpiece. To do this, mark the location on the tailpiece and drill a hole on one side. Put the self-adhesive black sponge around the hole and make sure the holes are aligned. Assemble the bolts and nuts through the hole and tighten them to complete the drain saddle. Once this is done, simply push your RO's 1/4-inch drain tubing into the quick connect fitting on the saddle. Step C, drilling hole for the RO faucet. Find a location where the faucet stem will be accessible from below and drill a 1/2-inch diameter hole, preferably using a 1/2-inch carbide-tipped masonry drill bit. Step D, positioning the RO system.
Positioning the system lets you maximize space in your kitchen area while ensuring efficiency and ease of access and operation.
Use the sticker given to drill the holes in proper horizontal position. Hang the arrow on the screws provided. The pressure storage tank can be kept next to the main RO unit or anywhere else without too much pressure loss. Apply Teflon tape to the inlet of the hydrostatic tank and install the tank ball valve properly. Connect the white pipe between point B of the UF membrane in the hydrostatic tank node. Insert the faucet in the drilled hole using the rubber washers above and below the sink. And then tighten it up firmly with the nut provided. The last piece of the system is the RO faucet. Connect the RO pipe to the faucet, assembling parts in the sequence shown here. So now it's ready for use. Step E, connecting the RO system. All our filter end fittings are the quick connect type. All you have to do is simply remove the end plugs by pushing the collet rings and then push the tubing into the elbow for each connection point. Connect all pipes as per the markings like A to A, B to B, and so on. Step F, system startup. Turn on input water supply and wait for the tank to be full. After filling the tank, open the faucet and release water from the tank. RO75 also has a TDS control valve that allows to control the content of natural mineral in filtered water. To increase the TDS level, the user can turn the screw of the valve anti-clockwise. To reduce the TDS level, the user can turn the screw of the valve clockwise.
Congratulations! Your Black & Decker RO75 water filter is ready for use. Enjoy pure, clean, and safe drinking water anytime and every time. Remember, by choosing Black & Decker RO75 water filter, you are ensuring pure water and a healthy life for your family.